Hi guys, and welcome back to The Real Spot, and today is all about upgrade. Now, I've been to so many shows this year already and I've got the bug again to upgrade my home stereo system. So I'm going to take you on a journey with a few episodes about my upgrade. So you're probably wondering what's in this box, but that'll all be revealed in the video as we do the unboxing. But this is episode 1 of my upgrade, and let's go for it. Okay guys, as you can see, I've gone for a hi-fi rack. Now I usually put my stuff on just a sideboard, but as I could see from all these shows, they had some banging hi-fi furniture there. So I thought to myself, let me get the wallet out and get myself a hi-fi rack. And I went for the block style hi-fi rack, which I think looks pretty nice in my opinion. But let's go without further ado and get this bad boy set up. And you'll probably see me chuck away the manual. Okay guys, as you can see, after all that unboxing, I must say this thing was very well packaged, and it's all out, as you can see. These are all the bits that it came with. Okay guys, so here we go. All the packaging is done. There was loads of it, I must say, very well packaged. So let's start off with constructing this thing. I mean, even when you open these here, if you look at that, it's even in its own cloth protection as well, which is amazing. And this is the accessories box here. And if you look at this even, here, the screws, I'll take one out, oh, one fell out. Even the screws are in their own little paper wrapping. Absolutely mind blowing. But anyway, let me crack on. Also with my own screwdriver, but as you can see, that is the problem when you don't read the manual, right? But it does come with its own screwdriver, so bad mistake on my part. that's the finish of the build. Quite easy to put up. You can do it by yourself. You haven't got that issues with having another person around to get it moved around. Everything just slots in nicely. So well constructed. Screwdriver, can't keep banging on about that. That's absolutely just mad. And yeah, fantastic product. We're going to end now, and the next stage of this will be moving this and putting all my gear onto it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I also need to do some serious cable management. That is an absolute jungle down there of cables. I'm not very good at it, but I think it's time to tidy up, because when you look at those shows, everything is nice and neat. So I did get some of this gear. I got some of this stuff for the cable management, but you'll see that on episode 2 when we start doing the cable management of the rack. Okay, bye for now.
Welcome to the real spot, where the real start. Hit play, lean back.